Hello everybody and welcome to this channel once again. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. So if you're new here, please hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. If you're old here, thanks so much for coming again. So in this video I'll show you how to quickly enhance your pictures using Photoshop. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is open the image. So this is the picture that I have. Click on open and then I have it over here. So you can do so many things to this one, so I'm showing you 3 quick steps you can enhance your pictures in Photoshop. So first you can add the hue and saturation over here, and then you can drag the saturation up like this. So you should have something good looking like this. So that is the first step. You can create something very simple like this one, and then I can go ahead and add the levels to it. I'll drag the levels. I'll just bring it up like this, and then I'll bring this side too, so that it creates something nice for me. So I think here will do. And then if I want to create a nice effect or another effect on it, I'll just go ahead and add the photo filter over here. I'll choose the deep yellow, and then I'm going to set this to soft light and then decrease the opacity small, so I have something good looking like this. So you can create so many things in Photoshop. So if I select all of this and then I add it, you can see that we have something good looking that you can upload for your Instagram photos and other stuff. So I think this video was helpful. If it was, I hope you give it a like and then forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.